Welcome to the 2020 Maine State Science Fair Awards ceremony. My name is Stephanie Burrell with the Maine Mathematics and Science Alliance. We've collaborated with the Jackson Laboratory on hosting Maine State Science Fair since 2015. Things look different this year for all of us. As much as we wish we could be with you in person at the University of Maine, the most important thing we can do right now is work to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. For most of us, that means staying at home and making the best of our situation. That's what we're doing today. This year, students from 31 schools submitted projects to Maine State Science Fair. This represents 40 teachers who guided 200 students through the process of conducting science and engineering projects. I'll turn it over to Mike McKernan, who will tell you about our sponsors.
Hi, everybody. I'm Mike McKernan. I'm the Program Director for STEM and Undergraduate Education at the Jackson Laboratory. Really delighted to be with you all in a different but equally important way. I'd like to start by thanking the many sponsors that we have for this year's Science Fair. As Stephanie said, the program is presented in partnership between the Jackson Laboratory and REACH at the Maine Math and Science Alliance. Our scholarship sponsors this year included the University of Maine, College of the Atlantic, the University of New England, the University of Southern Maine, St. Joseph's College of Maine, the University of Maine at Augusta, and Husson University. Our financial sponsors included a platinum sponsor from Texas Instruments, who has been a sponsor of the Maine State Science Fair now for several years. And our gold sponsors are Maine Space Grant Consortium, the Maine School of Science and Mathematics, Acadia Institute of Oceanography, and Hurricane Island Center for Science and Leadership. We want to recognize the University of Maine's dedication and support they have shown throughout this entire process. And so before we begin with the awards, we'd like to play a couple special messages from the University of Maine, including a special message from their president, Joan Farini Mundi.
Hello, everyone. We were looking forward to showcasing the University of Maine's STEM opportunities to prospective students and to the community in person. But today and in the coming weeks, we will be sharing those opportunities with you virtually and in other modes. When we can see you in person on our campuses, we will be able to share even more. Our faculty, staff, and students are eager to tell and show you more about the UMaine student experience at the state's only public research university, a land, sea, and space grant university. We are engaged in research and development that helps the state of Maine, the nation, and the world. UMaine is committed to research, and students here are a part of that research. In fact, we count on them to help us make new discoveries and change the world. Congratulations to the more than 300 students representing more than 40 high schools this year. Thank you for the hard work and great ideas that it takes to prepare and participate in a state-level science fair. You are already demonstrating your curiosity, your innovative and creative thinking, and your aspirations to help advance our state and our world through science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. UMaine is proud to be a leading scholarship sponsor of the Maine State Science Fair. We will once again offer full tuition scholarships to each of the fair's category winners. I look forward to hearing more about your ideas and your accomplishments and to meeting you. Please consider the University of Maine as a part of your future.
So we're going to check out the next message also from the University of Maine, profiling some of the exciting things they're doing for undergraduate students in the state.
Your adventure at UMaine starts here.
Set your course by the stars, not the light of other ships.
I will chart my course with the world's largest 3D printer.
My journey strengthens my mind and my body.
Every adventure needs a co-pilot.
Today I'll create my own hurricane.
My business adventure begins here.
My journey will save your life.
Okay, thank you very much for the University of Maine. And now we'll move on, and I'm very pleased to introduce to you the rest of the Maine State Science Fair team. And our next speaker is Rebecca Clark-Uchenna.
Hi, everyone. My name is Rebecca, and I work with the Maine Math and Science Alliance, and I'm one of your co-fair directors for the Maine State Science Fair. A big thank you to all students for your dedication and perseverance, especially in these uncertain times. Who would have thought we'd be faced with these current conditions? I also want to acknowledge the teachers, mentors, and parents who have helped your students along the way. And a special shout out to our teacher fellows who are participating in our professional development programming for the Maine State Science Fair. Your dedication to your students and to science education is truly inspiring to see, and it's been such a pleasure to work with you over the school year. I'd like to now hand it over to our consultant, Mr. Kerry James.
Hi, everyone. I'm Kerry James, and I assist the Maine Math and Science Alliance working with teachers and students to help promote and improve the Maine State Science Fair. And I've had the good fortune of being involved with Science Fair for years. And this is an ideal learning format, particularly at the time, with the times that we are currently in. Authentic learning formats like the Maine State Science Fair just absolutely bring out the best in kids, in my opinion. You literally are the ones that are going to change the world, and boy, do we sure need you now. Thank you for everything that you've done. There are many terrific projects this year, and I can assure you that you made the judges' choices very difficult. While we all try to be as objective as possible in making these decisions, the judges do, always remember that these decisions about projects can at sometimes become objectively subjective. So congratulations to all of you who presented your research at this year's fair. And let's not forget the hard work that your teachers do as well to make it possible for you to participate. A virtual round of applause is well deserved for all your efforts. And it's with great pleasure that I get to acknowledge this year's category award winners. So before I begin, I'd like to let you know we'll announce in each category the third, second, and first place award winners. And each of you that are selected will get the opportunity to choose a STEM book of your choosing. And you'll be contacted by Jackson Laboratory to make that happen in the near future. So with that said, we're going to proceed to the category award winners. So in the category of animal science, behavior, and ecology, the third place winner is Maria Castellanos from John Baptist Memorial High School. The second place award winner is Lillian Nowak. The first place award winner in the category of animal science and behavior is Alexander Maker. Moving on to our next category of animal sciences, nutrition, and development. The third place award winner is Amelia Jalbert and Carissa Lucas. The second place award winner is Hannah Dyer. The first place award winner in this category is Patrick Wallig. Moving on to our next category. In behavioral sciences, cognitive psychology, the third place award winner is Tegan Blackie. The second place award winner is Shruti Joshi, Jack Foster, and Ben Sylvester. And our first place award winner is Molly Hale. Moving on to our next category of behavioral sciences, sociology, mental health. The third place award winner is Faith Foster. The second place award winner is Ian Lee. And the first place award winner is Isabel Harkins. Moving on to our next category of biomedical and health science. The third place award winner is Joshua Baum. The second place award winner is Arsh Anjohortri. I apologize if I misspelled or mispronounced your name. First place, Ijoma Obi. Moving on to our next category of chemistry. The third place award winner is Naomi Nowak. The second place award winner is Aaron McCarthy and Megan Karen. And the first place award winner is Ogechi Obi. Moving on to the category of computer science and mathematics. The third place award winner is Cuthbert Stedman, Graham Glover, and Beckett Mundell. And I'm sorry, the last name is cut off, and I apologize. Second place winner is Nan No and Simon Sokolow. And the first place award winner is Micah Petrajo. Moving on to the next category of engineering. Third place award winner, Manal Iftikhar. The second place award winner is Oscar Henin. And the first place awarder is Vetri Vale. Moving on to environmental sciences and engineering. Third place award, Rowan Andrews. Second place award, Quinn D'Alessio. And the first place award winner is Layla Davids. Our next category is environmental sciences, water quality. And the third place award is Rain Bugado. Second place award, Michaela Kendall. And the first place award is Jordan Miller. Our next category is material science. Third place award, Peyton Ward. Second place award, Ariel Larrabee. And the first place award goes to Jaylee Rice. Our next category is the category of microbiology. Third place award goes to Emma Markowitz. Second place award, Lynn Nguyen. And our first place award goes to Melissa TM. In the category of plant sciences, the third place award is Hannah Dunn. The second place award is Nicholas Geiser. And the first place award is Amara Afej. So that concludes the category awards. I just want to congratulate everyone on doing an outstanding job, and a big virtual round of applause for all of you and your teachers. So at this point, I'd like to hand it over to Mike McKernan from Jackson Laboratory for the announcement of the special awards. Great job, everyone.
Thank you, Carrie. Thank you, Carrie. I can hear the applause all the way here in Bar Harbor. All right, special awards, Maine State Science Fair. Here we go. Oh, I don't need to touch that button. Okay, so our first special award are several under the title JAX Promising Projects. And the JAX Promising Projects are those projects from first-year students, who are brand new to the Maine State Science Fair. Okay, so here we go. Our first one, the JAX Promising Project. Margaret Castelline, Jet Lindelof, Anthony Ayer, Hazel Van Dies, Aaliyah Sabre. Congratulations, JAX Promising Projects. We really hope we see at least 3 more projects from you starting next year and then beyond. Our next special award is the REACH Award. The REACH Award is given annually from the Maine Mathematics and Science Alliance. This is an award that recognizes students who attend schools that are brand new to the Maine State Science Fair. The first REACH Award is given to Kylie Brown. The second to Colin Peterson. Third, Elizabeth Chatley. Thomas DeFilippo. And finally, Adam Nussbaum. The next special award is made by the American Meteorological Society. The award goes to Chloe Grant, Addison Bracken, and Rachel Kingsley. A second award goes to Naomi Noak. A third award goes to Ogechi Obi. And the final award from the American Meteorological Society is made to Melissa Tien. The Association for Women Geoscientists is our next special award category. The award is made to Jordan Miller and Ginny Hunt. The Community Innovation Award is made by the Society for Science and the Public. This is the organization that is the nonprofit that is organizing the ISEF, the International Science and Engineering Fair, as well as the Scientific Talent Search. And the Community Innovation Award is a $500 prize, which will be made to Isaac Burtis. The Office of Naval Research Award is made to Vitri Vel, Sydney Sheehan, Nathan Chatterton, and Oscar Hennon. The U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID Award is made to Amara Fedge and Ogochi Obi. And our final special award, this is the U.S. Stockholm Junior Water Prize. These awards are made to Jordan Miller, Michaela Kendall, Rain Bugato, Mia Wang, Amber Halligan, and finally, Lulu Yu. That concludes the special awards. Congratulations, everybody. I now turn it over to Rebecca for the announcement of the experiential awards.
Experiential awards are a way for students to get more hands-on experience in STEM. This year, we are offering 2 summer camp programs related to the field of marine sciences. The first award is a fully paid 2-week summer camp experience to Hurricane Island in their advanced marine biology program. In this 2-week teen summer camp, students will explore Hurricane Island's breathtaking coastline, beaches, and trails. The first week, students will have a deep dive into hurricanes' marine habitats, as well as sampling methods scientists use to develop research projects. In the second week, students will design and implement their own project and build towards an on-island culminating presentation at the end of the program. This is an overnight summer camp, and it will be held at the end of July, located on Hurricane Island, which is off the coast of Rockland in Penobscot Bay. And the winner for this award is Aaron McCarthy from Bangor High School. The second experiential award offer is from the Acadia Institute of Oceanography in their Advanced Marine Science Camp program. Acadia Institute of Oceanography introduces students to the exciting world of marine science through a unique hands-on curriculum that combines biological, physical, and chemical oceanography with field, classroom, offshore, and laboratory work. This is a 2-week summer camp program and will be held at the end of July, located in Seal Harbor on Mount Desert Island. And the winner is Hannah Dyer from George Stevens Academy. I'd now like to hand it back to Mike to continue on with our scholarship awards.
Okay, thank you, Rebecca. We'll do our scholarship awards next. We'll start with Husson University, and I'll say that these scholarship awards are immensely important to you, to your parents, to your schools, and we, the Maine State Science Fair, are immensely grateful to our scholarship partners who represent higher education in the state of Maine. And they are taking a leadership role in encouraging through these scholarships your continued higher education in STEM. And that, of course, we believe is an important investment, not only for yourselves, but also for the state. So we're very grateful to our scholarship award partners, and pleased to start with Husson University. The Husson University Scholarship is a $1,000 tuition scholarship. This is non-renewable, but it may be used by any student at any level for any course, including online courses. So we will be offering, I believe, 5 $1,000 tuition scholarships to Husson University. And they are Megan Karen, Ariel Larrabee, Alexandria Morgan, Patrick Wallig, and Wade Wallig. Congratulations for your Husson University $1,000 scholarship. The next scholarship is awarded by the University of Maine at Augusta. This year we are making 2 $1,500 tuition scholarships. These scholarships are renewable for up to 4 years, provided the student remains in good academic standing, and I think that applies to really all of our scholarship awards. So there are 2 scholarships to be awarded, and the first one is awarded to Wade Wallig. The second scholarship to Alexandria Morgan. St. Joseph's College of Maine is a new partner in the Maine State Science Fair as a scholarship awarding institution. St. Joseph's College will offer 2 $2,500 renewable scholarships. These are tuition scholarships, of course, and they are renewable for 4 years. And there's a provision for the students to have access to the honors program and additional funding while at St. Joseph's College. The first award is made to Natalie Shields, and the second award is made to Owen Arsenault. The next scholarships are made from the University of New England. These are $5,000 annual scholarships. They are renewable for 4 years. The first awardee to the University of New England is Bo Briggs. Second awardee, Jenna Drake. Marion Easton. Josephine Eck, and finally, Natalie Shields. Congratulations on your scholarship to the University of New England. Also joining the Maine State Science Fair for the first year is the University of Southern Maine. These are full tuition, 4-year scholarships to the University of Southern Maine. In addition, awardees are invited to join the University of Southern Maine Honors Program, This covers full in-state tuition, and the recipients will be matched to faculty mentor, the Dean of Science, Technology, and Health during their first year, and an additional senior faculty advisor in their discipline of study in successive years. I believe 2 scholarships will be awarded by the University of Southern Maine. The first one is awarded to Adam Tadia. The second scholarship is awarded to Josephine Eck. Congratulations, Adam and Josephine. Next is College of the Atlantic here in Bar Harbor. College of the Atlantic is awarding a $20,000 4-year renewable scholarship. This is at the level of a College of the Atlantic presidential scholarship. The first scholarship is awarded to Anelia Holtrup. And the second scholarship is awarded to Ariel Larrabee. Anelia and Ariel, congratulations on your scholarship award to College of the Atlantic. And our final set of scholarships is made by the University of Maine. These are 4-year full tuition scholarships. They include admission to the University of Maine Honors College, match with a faculty mentor, and an annual research supply budget. These are University of Maine top scholars scholarships. And I believe that 12 will be awarded. The first University of Maine scholarship is awarded to Alexandria Morgan, Washington Academy. Second, Nicholas Geiser, Bangor High. Vitrivel, Bangor High. Rachel Kingsley, South Portland High School. Hannah Dunn, Bangor High School. Swetha Palaniappan, Cape Elizabeth High School. Ariel Larrabee, Hancock County Technical Center. Grace Kessler, Maine Coast Waldorf School. Megan Karen from Bangor High School. Lillian Noack, Bangor High School. Alexander Maker, Washington Academy. And Matthew Hafener, John Baptist Memorial High School. All 4-year full tuition scholarships to the University of Maine, plus Honors College. Congratulations, everybody. These are significant major awards. I hope there are lots of inter-family hugs happening right now and physically distant high fives. So congrats, everybody. And now we'll conclude the awards with our grand awards, and I'm pleased to turn it back to Rebecca.
Okay, great. Thank you, Mike. Okay, here we go. We're here already. As part of being a Grand Award winner for the Maine State Science Fair, we normally send you to the International Science and Engineering competition to compete and present your work. However, the Society for Science and the public and Regeneron are deeply disappointed to share that based on the comprehensive evaluation of guidance provided by the Centers for Disease Control related to the COVID-19 outbreak, they did make the difficult decision to cancel the Regeneron International Science and Engineering Fair for 2020. That was scheduled for May 10th through the 15th in Anaheim, California. And unfortunately, no one will be competing this year. So instead of offering a paid trip to compete at ISEF, we will be awarding each Grand Award winner with $500 instead. This is still an incredible accomplishment and honor to be selected for a Grand Award winner at the Maine State Science Fair, so you all should be very, very proud of your work and your accomplishments. So in third place, the Grand Award winner for the Maine State Science Fair is Patrick Wallig from Falmouth High School. Congratulations, Patrick. In second place, for the Maine State Science Fair, Amara Avej from Bangor High School. Congratulations, Amara. And the grand award winner in first place for the Maine State Science Fair goes to Betty Vale from Bangor High School. Congratulations. Yay. So I'd now like to hand it back over to Stephanie.
Thanks, Rebecca. So what we've done today could not have been possible without the resilience and perseverance of Maine high school students and their dedicated teachers who supported them. To all the judges, staff, and our sponsors, thank you and be well.